Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will be learning about the water cycle.
Yay!
Let's get started. What is the water cycle? The water cycle is the movement of water from the Earth's surface to the Earth's atmosphere and then back to the Earth's surface. The water on our planet is always moving from the sky to the ground and back again. Water is always in motion. Would anybody like to read the third sentence? Yes, Clarissa?
This cycle consists of 4 different stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection.
Great job. So yes, the water cycle does consist of 4 stages. As she mentioned, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection are part of the water cycle. And we will be learning more about those in the next couple of slides. Another thing is the water cycle is also known as the hydrologic cycle. Can you guys say that with me?
Hydrologic cycle.
Great job. Here is a visual representation of the water cycle, starting with evaporation, which then leads to condensation. Next comes precipitation, and finally collection. Evaporation. Can you guys say evaporation?
Evaporation.
Great job. Water in our oceans, lakes, and rivers gets heated by the sun's energy and changes from a liquid to a gas known as water vapor. This process is called evaporation. As you can see in the image below, the sun is heating the water from the ocean and causing it to become water vapor, and the arrows are showing the water vapor heading up into the clouds. Condensation. Can you guys say condensation?
Condensation.
Great job. As the water vapor rises, it cools and condenses into dust particles. These particles collect together and form clouds. Here is a visual representation of what forming a cloud looks like. From water vapor and dust, water droplets, cloud droplets eventually lead into making an entire cloud. Condensation means that water changes from a gas to a liquid, forming the clouds in the sky. This process is known as condensation. Precipitation. Can you guys say precipitation?
Precipitation.
Great job. The water keeps condensing to form clouds, but when there is too much accumulation of water in the clouds become heavy. What do you guys think happens once the clouds become heavy? Yes, Elias?
I think it rains.
Great job. Yes. So once the clouds can no longer hold the amount of water, the water starts to fall back to the earth in the form of rain, snow, and does anybody have a guess what else the water can fall back to earth? Yeah.
Hail.
Great job, Clarissa. Yes. So snow, freezing rain, hail, and regular rain are all formed by precipitation. Finally, we have collection. So once the water returns to the earth as rain, caused by precipitation, it falls into rivers, lakes, streams, and some of it is taken in by the soil through a process called infiltration. Rivers return water to the ocean, and the water beneath the surface is now called groundwater. So here's a visual representation of what collection of water looks like in either lakes, rivers, and ocean. Does anybody know what other form of water? Where else water can be stored? Yes, Clarissa?
Puddles.
Great, that is one of them. Elias, do you have another?
Streams.
Great job, yes. So streams, puddles, lakes, rivers, and oceans are all part of the collection process in the water cycle. So that concludes today's lesson. Thank you so much for being such great listeners, and we'll see you next time.